Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn on dark mode in Gmail on your PC, thanks to the latest update. Dark mode not only looks sleek, but is also easier on the eyes, especially during long hours of email checking. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find the gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Now, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Theme. From this section, click on the option that says View All. This will open up the theme gallery where you can explore various designs. Next, scroll down through the available themes until you see the dark theme. It'll be a visually appealing option that stands out. Simply click on it to select it, and just like that, your Gmail will transform into dark mode. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Gmail on your PC. If you want to switch back to the light theme, just follow the same steps and choose the light option instead. We hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more exciting updates.